To help in that regard, we've compiled a list of the best printers under $200 on the market today. From productive office printers through to multimedia masterclasses, read on to find the right budget printer to suit your needs. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2400. We're big fans of Epson's range of EcoTank printers, and the ET2400 keeps up the tradition as a top printer under $200. Efficient but accommodating, this Epson printer is well worth its low cost. Boasting an ink tank system, the ET2400 can go for prolonged periods without needing an ink refill. Prints are rendered in incredible detail, especially with the printer able to create detailed photos with 5760 by 1440 dots per inch DPI. It also comes as with a built-in copier machine and document scanner. For all your productivity needs, it comes with a host of connectivity options, including smart speaker systems such as Amazon's Alexa, meaning you're never short of a way to print. You may be waiting a while, however, the print speed on the ET2400 is the only thing letting it down, at a paltry 5 pages per minute in color. If you can stretch your budget slightly, we'd recommend upgrading to the AT2850. For faster printing. Regardless of a slow print speed, we still recommend the ET2400 as a top printer under $200. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. If you want the benefits of an all-in-one printer without sacrificing on print speed or versatility, consider the Canon PIXMA TR8620A. This sterling printer offering from Canon offers tremendous print results at a low price. With a print size of up to 8.5 inches by 11.7 inches, this budget printer actually beats some of its competitors for print size. For photos of this size, the TR8620A has a reliable color gamut that accurately recreates your designs with high depth and clarity. With a print speed of 10 pages per minute for documents, you can rest assured that they will be delivered quickly and efficiently. The TR8620A still allows you to print on a wide range of specialist media, including edible ink. So why isn't this the best printer under $200? The overall build quality and ink economy ultimately let the TR8620A down, with frequent and frustrating ink refills, made more cumbersome by the flimsy build quality of the model. Though we still recommend this as a great all-in-one printer under $200, it's not the best on the market. Number 3. Brother HLL 2460DW. If you're in an office or any other environment requiring large quantities of black and white printing, then the Brother HLL 2460DW is the ideal printer for you. Highly capable and compact, this laser printer is another tremendous offering from Brother, another of our top-rated printer manufacturers. With a print speed of up to 36 pages per minute, the HLL 2460DW is a productivity powerhouse. Though it's limited to monochrome, the printer is still capable of printing envelopes and certain other paper stocks. With toner rated for up to 700 pages of printing, and auto-duplexing, the HLL 2460DW is as efficient as it is fast. Factor that in with a compact form factor, and there's little to dislike about this laser printer. That doesn't mean there's nothing to dislike. However, the display screen on the HLL 2460DW is notably poor, with no lighting for a clear readout. Though this can cause issues, they're offset by this laser printer's sterling value for money. Number 4. HP Envy Photo 7855. Boasting a small carbon footprint as well as a physical one, the HP Envy Photo 7855 is a sterling environmentally friendly printer from HP. With an average cost per print as low as 5 cents, the 7855 is an incredibly efficient budget printer. Print speeds are fast, even at top print quality levels. With the 7855, you can mass produce full color prints at an average speed of 10 prints per minute. Given this printer's low price, This is even more impressive. Equally capable of documents as well as photos, this printer is incredibly versatile whilst maintaining its affordability. And as an added bonus, it's environmentally friendly, made from recycled plastics. That said, this screen printer doesn't do a great job of reproducing other colors. Without an ICC color profile, images aren't as vibrant as we'd like. It's an issue smaller than this printer's carbon footprint, however, and we'd still recommend it as an environmentally conscious print solution. Number 5. Brother MFC J4335DW. For a printer that's as efficient in cost as it is in prints, the Brother MFC J4335DW takes the final place on our rankings, and one could argue we've saved the best for last. With fast and economical printing in an affordable and compact body, this inkjet printer is a great value purchase. With a print speed of 16 pages per minute in color and 20 for monochrome, the MFC J4335DW is the faster inkjet printer on this list. The dual 400 sheet paper trays mean that this printer can go a while without needing to be restocked. Coupled with high yield cartridges, it'll be some time before you need to change anything under the hood. Coming with all-in-one functionality for scanning and copying, this printer is a great value add for offices or small businesses. Documents are where this printer's strength lies, however, as it lacks the print quality needed for truly impressive photos. But for your standard suite of print requirements, the MFC J4335DW is a great choice.